The Circuit Tracks Groovebox by Novation is a powerful tool for electronic music creation, featuring two polyphonic digital synth tracks that broaden your sonic potential. With its intuitive and hands-on production workflow, this Groovebox is designed for both studio and live performances, allowing for expressive music creation with velocity-sensitive pads. The inclusion of two MIDI tracks offers comprehensive control over external hardware, enhancing your studio's connectivity and creative possibilities. You can create complex musical patterns with the Circuit Tracks' ability to chain up to 256 step sequences per track, incorporating microtiming and pattern mutation for evolving music. Its advanced effects section provides lush reverb, delay, sidechain, and a master compressor, ensuring your sound is polished and dynamic. The built-in rechargeable battery and compact design make it an ideal choice for musicians on the go, allowing you to make music wherever inspiration strikes.